All right, so we are going to go on to questions A and B that we had last day for homework. So therefore now this is what we are doing. So the first solution will be, so today is the 17th of the third month. Just say that fellow really tall. The 17th of the third month, 2025, mathematics. And the topic will be solution of homework, right? Solution of homework. So we're starting off with question A. They want to determine in number one, PQ. PQ. P is 2513, whereas Q is minus 3402. And so we are going, this will be row by column. So it will be 2. So somebody could tell me what you did? Would it be 2 multiplied by minus 3, isn't it? Plus 5 multiplied by 0. Then you could say 1 multiplied by minus 3 plus 3 times 0. Next step, let's go with the second column now. 2 multiplied by 4 plus 5 multiplied by 2. We still with the second column, but we're on the second row. So it will be 1 multiplied by 4 plus 3 multiplied by 2. So your final answer here will be, this will be minus 6. 4 2s are 8, 8 and 10 will be 18. Minus 3, and here we 1 4 is 4, 4 plus 6 will give us 10. And this is the final answer for number 1. Any questions with that one? Yes or no? Yes or no? Did you all do the question, the homework? Did you all do it? As you can put thumbs up, so no. Whether you did it or not?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Yeah. All right, cool. So let's go on to QP. Q is minus 3402. Q is minus 4 minus 3402. Minus 3402. Whereas P, it is 2513. 2513. So let's go. So this will be minus 3 times 2. It will be I'll do it again. Minus 3 times first row, first column. Minus 3 times 2 plus 4 multiplied by 1. Then you will go in the second row. First column, 0 times 2 plus 2 times 1. Then we'll go first row, second column. Minus 3 by 5 plus 4 by 3. Then it will be 0 by 5 plus 2 by 3. So let's get our final answer. Here will be minus 6 plus 4 minus 2. So it'll be, this one will be 0 times 2, 0. 2 times 1 is 2. Here will be minus 15 plus 12. Minus 15 plus 12 is minus 3. And 0 by 5 is 0, and 2 3s are 6. All right. So any questions concerning this? That's number 2. Number 3. Number 3, it is p squared. So the answer here will be 2513 by 2513. So be 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5 is 5. 1 2 is 2 plus 1 3 is 3. 2 5s are 10 plus 15. Then 1 5 is 5 plus 9. So your final answer here will be 9, 5, 10 and 15. 25. All right. Okay, so the last one is 9 and 5 will be 14. Okay, that's number 3. Number 4. Number 4, it is 2 times, no, q square. Q square. Q, it is minus 3402. By the same thing, minus 3402. So this will be minus 3 times minus 3. It will be 9. So therefore now, what we'll be doing is this. Minus 3, that will be 9 plus 0. 4 times 0 is 0. 0 times minus 3 is 0. Plus 2, that is 0 is 0. Minus 3 by minus 4 is minus 12 plus 8. And 0 by 4 will be 0. All right. So the final answer here will be 9 minus 4, 0 and 0. 2 2s, no, not 0 4s are 0. 2 2s are 4. Here's 4. Okay? Okay with that? So this answer here is 4. All right with that? Number 5, twice 2pq, 2pq. If I'm moving too fast, tell me, yeah? So I'll slow down. We know what is PQ is minus 618 minus 310. Minus 618 minus 310. Okay, so this will be minus 12. 18 times 2 will be 36. Minus 6 and 20. Understand that? Oops, understand that? And number 6, 3/5 PQ, 3/5 PQ. So be 3/5 by minus 6, 18, minus 3 and 10. All right, so that's number A. Another number A, letter A. So let's go on to letter B. Letter B, number 1. AB is equal to, what is A? 8 is 3, 4 minus 2, 1. What is B? So next one will be BA. AB, B is minus 5032 minus 5032. So this will be minus 15 plus 12, 10 plus 3, 0 plus 8, and 0 plus 2. The final answer here will be -3, 13, 8, and 2. Did you all get that? Yes or no? You all get that? At 2, number 2 is BA minus 5032 by 3, 4, minus 2, 1. Minus 5 times 3 will be minus 15 plus 0 by minus 2 will be 0. 3 by 3 is 9 plus 2. So, therefore, now here, now what we'll be saying, it will be, this will be 3 3s are 9, 2 by minus 2 will be minus 4. Immediately put your minus sign one time. Right? Okay? You all yes or no? Okay. So next part will be next part to be minus 5 times 4 is minus 20 plus 0 by 1 is 0. 3 4s are 12. 1 2 is 2. So you get your final answer B minus 15, 9 minus 4, which is 5, minus 20, and 12 plus 2, which is 14. All right, so can I turn the page? We are moving on to A squared, B squared. Yeah. So what is A squared? A square will be, this is number 3. A square will be equal to 3 4 minus 2 1. 3 4 minus 2 1 by the same thing. 3 4 minus 2 1. And this will be 3 by 3 9. 4 2s are 8. Minus 2 times 3 minus 6. Minus 1 2 is 2. Same thing here. 3 by 4 will be 12 plus 4 ones are 4. Then minus 2 times 4. Nope. So minus 2 by 4 is minus 8 plus 1 times 1 is 1. So final answer will be 1, 12, and 4 will be 16. Minus 2 minus 4 is minus 8. And the last one here will be minus 8 plus 1 will be minus 7. All right, so that's 4, 3. So moving on to 4, which is B squared minus 5032 minus 5032 by the same thing, minus 5032. So this will be minus 5 times minus 5 will be 25. plus 0 times 3 is 0. 3 times minus 5 is minus 15 plus 3, 3 is 6. Minus 5 times 0 be 0 plus 0 times 2 is 0. 3 times 0 is 0 plus. So the next last, the one, number 3 by 0 is 0 plus 2 twos are 4. Okay, people, I need to know whether you all understand this or not. 25, 0, minus 9, and 4. You all understand that? Yes or no? Number 4. Moving on to number 5. Number 5 is 3AB. 3AB. We know what is AB already. AB, it is minus 3, 8, minus 3, 8, 13, 2. The final answer here will be minus 9, 24, 39, and 6. Right? And last one, number 6. Number 6, it is right. Number 6 is 2/5 AB. Oops. Y'all, can I go on the other side? Yes or no? Number 6. 2/5 AB. So that will be 2/5 by what is AB? AB is minus 3, 8, 13, 2. So 2/5 side that will be minus 1 and 1/5. 16 over 5, that will be 3. So it'll be 2/5 of 8. That'll be 16 over 5. So that'll be 3 and 1/5. 26 over 5. So that'll be 5 and 1/5. And lastly, 4/5. And that's the answer. Okay. Okay. Somebody said, oops. What is that? You're not hearing me, or you're not hearing me? Yes or no?
Miss, I hear you, but you're all soft.
Huh?
I'm still hearing you, but you're all soft.
Real soft.
Yes, miss.
What about now?
Much better.
Better. And now? Better? Y'all hear me now? All right, cool. Oh. All right, so let's go. So today we're moving on to another topic in matrices. And that topic we're going to call it, that will be called equal matrices. All right, so let's start with that. So equal matrices is merely, really and truly where we are putting one matrix being equal to the other and solving for the unknown. That's what really equal matrices is all about, you know. Okay? So we will be start from there. Equal matrices. So I'm going to topic heading. Oh, I don't think you all can see the screen. Okay, so you already know. So we're starting off with equal matrices. And I'll say equal matrices is where you put in one equal to the other. Okay? And you're finding the value of unknown terms. All right? Topic. Equal matrices. And you're all right? Given that A is equal to A, B, C, D, and B is equal to E, F, G, H, then A equal to B if A, B, C, D will be equal to E, F, G, H. Thus, that is, A will be equal to the value of E, B will be equal to the value of F, C will be equal to the value of G, and D will be equal to the value of H. Let's put that in an example. So this will be your example. Given A is equal to 3, 2, 4 minus 1. B is equal to 4 minus 5, 2 minus 4. And C equal to A, B, C, D. Find the value of A, B, C, and D. Given that A plus B is equal to C. So it's starting with this. Your part thumbs up to tell me whether you're ready or not. Alright, the others, can I continue? Kezia, Charlene?
Yes, miss.
Okay, you're not, okay, am I still singing low or muffled? I'm singing really low? Yes or no?
No, miss.
Yes?
No, miss. No.
Okay,
miss.
great. Good. So I just wanted to find out to see. So here now we have A plus B is equal to C. So you tell me what is the value. So here we are going on to our solution. So you are starting at A plus B equal to C. What is matrix A? Matrix A is 3, 2, 4 minus 1. What is matrix B? Matrix B is 4 minus 5, 2 minus 4. And what is matrix C? Matrix C is A, B, C, D. So let's work. So what we need to do is add up the values. So you all know how to add it, right? So Nikki, tell me what to write.
Three plus 4,
Yeah, next one.
2 minus 5,
Yep, next one.
4 plus 2,
And last one.
minus 1 minus 4.
All right, and that'll be equal to A, B, C, D. So what will happen here? 4 and 3 is 7, 2 minus 5 minus 3, 4 plus 2 is 6, minus 1 minus 4 will be minus 5 is equal to A, B, C, D. So what we do is equating. So here now we'll see that A is equal to 7, B is equal to minus 3, C is equal to 6, and D is equal to negative 5. And that's the answer, and that's how you deal with equal matrices. Understand that one, yes or no? All right. So you could say equating both sides. Right? So take that down and that'll be example 1. So then we'll go to example 2. Yes or no? So you all put a thumbs up to say whether ready because I'll have to go on the other side. All right. Can I move on? So next one is 4a minus 3b equal to 2c. All right. So the solution 4a minus 3b equal to 2c. What is a? It will be 4 multiplied by 2r minus 1 minus 3. What is b? S 4 minus 10 and 0 is equal to 2 multiplied by c, which is 1, 4, t, and 2. All right. So what we do is multiply out across, right? 4 twos are what? 8. 4 by r will be 4r. 4 times minus 4 is minus 16. 4 times 1 will be 4. Minus 3 times s is 3s. 3 by 4 will be 12. 3 times negative 10 will be negative 30. And 3 times 0 is 0. And that is equal to 2 times 1 will be 2. 2 by 4, 8. 2 times t, 2t, and 2 twos are 4. And here is where we equate both sides. Equate both. Well, before we can equate both sides, let's bring this down further. Can make no sense. It's already equated, but we didn't solve those two. Okay? So let's solve them. So the first one will be 8 take away 3s. Then 4r take away 12. Minus 16 minus 30. We know that will be, now watch this, minus 16 minus minus. Negative and negative is a positive, and here will be 4 take away 0, and 4 take away 0. Well, obviously, will be 4. It's equal to 2, 8, 2t, and 4. So equating both sides, equating both sides, both, wow, all right, like that. So equating both sides, sides, what you'll get, 8 minus 3s is equal to 2. 4r minus 12 is equal to 8. Minus 16 plus 30, that'll be 14, is equal to 2t. Well, 4 is already equal to 4, right? So this is 14 is equal to 2t. So let's solve these equations. So here now, 8 minus 3s equal to 2. So minus 3s is equal to 2 take away 8. So when the positive 8 goes across, it will become a negative. So minus 3s is equal to negative 6. So S will be equal to minus 6 divided by minus 3. And so you'll get your S value to become 2. So that's 1. Then we have 4R minus 12 is equal to 4R minus 12. Okay, is equal to 5. So 4R will be equal to 5 plus 12. 4R will be equal to 17. So R is 17 divided by 4. Your R value will end up becoming 4¼ All right? And the last one, 14 equal to 2t. So if you want to find the value of t, it will be 14 divided by 2. So t is equal to 7. So the answer will be S equal to 2. R is equal to 4¼ And that's it. S is 2. R is 4¼ And lastly, T equal to 7. And that's what equating is all about. Equal sides, equal side. Putting one equal to the other. Any questions? Y'all have any questions? All right, y'all ready? Okay, so it's fairly simple, and now suppose. So I'll continue the page. I'm going on to a third example. Pop thumbs up to say whether I continue the page or not.
Let's go ahead.
Let's go with a third example. Given that A is equal to minus 1x, y2, B is equal to 2 minus 113, C equal to 3p, 2p, 2p, 20, 12, 2q, and AB equal to half C. Okay, so this is the question. Calculate the values of So you're going to calculate the values of, calculate the values of X, Y, P, and Q. P and Q. Okay? I give my thumbs up whether you're ready or not. So what is A? A is minus 1x, y 2. What is B? 2 minus 1, 1, 3. What is this C is? It's a half by, so it will be a half of 2p, 20, 12, and 2q. All right? So let's multiply row by column. Minus 1 times 2 plus x by 1. Y by 2 plus 2 times 1. Minus 1 times minus 1 plus x by 3. Then y by minus 1 plus 2 by 3 is equal to, so if going a half of 2p, be p, a half of 20, 10, a half of 12, 6, and a half of 2q, q. Okay? So this will be minus 2 plus x, 2y plus 2, 1 plus 3x, minus y plus 6, p, 10, 6, q. So as usual, everybody seen that? As usual, we equating both sides, equating both sides. So you have minus 2 plus x equal to p, that's 1. You all will have 1 plus 3x is equal to 10. That's another one. You'll have 2y plus 2 equal to 6. That's a third one. And the last one will be minus y plus 6 is equal to q. Minus y plus 6 equal to q. So are you all seeing any of the equations that has only one letter? If so, which one? Which one of the equations only have one letter in it? You all could call it out, you know.
Miss, that gonna be 1 plus 3x equals 10, and then 2y plus 2 equals negative 6.
All right, those are the two. Very good. Those are exactly the two. So let's find for x here, because when we find for x, we could be able to find for p. And if you'll find for y here, you'll find the value for q. So this will be 3x will be equal to 10, take away 1. So 3x will be equal to 9. X will be equal to 9 divided by 3. X will be equal to 3. So that's one answer. So since we know x is 3, we could find for p. So this will be 2 minus 2 plus 3 equal to p. So your value of p is really and truly equal to 1. 3 take away 2, which is 1. Once you find, now let's find the value of y. 2y is equal to 6 minus 2. 2y will be equal to 4. Y will be 4 divided by 2. The y value is equal to 2. Right? The next step here now, once you find the y value, you could be able to find q. So this will be minus 2 plus 6 equal to q. So the value of q here will be equal to 4. Okay, so any questions concerning this? And this is what you could have with equal matrices. They combine a different sets of operations in order to get the final answer. Questions about that, say answer be P is 1, X is 3, Y 2, and Q equal to 4. So questions concerning this? Right? Any questions? So let's go and dwell into some questions that you all will be doing. Okay? So these are the questions that I want you all to try. Take down this one. Question. If A is equal to 5 minus 3 to 1, B equal to minus 4 to 1, 3, C equal to PQRS, and 3A minus 2B is equal to half C. Evaluate. evaluate P, Q, R, and S. As the first one. Second one, given that A is equal to minus 1xy 3, B is equal to 3, 1 minus 1, 2. C is equal to minus 4R S7 and AB equal to C. Determine the values of X, Y, R, and S. Okay, so I'll give you all how much? 5 minutes. Can I give you all 5 minutes to do this? Yes or no? Yeah, 5 minutes. So I'm giving you all 5 minutes starting now. Alright, so
So
solution to number
3 times A. So that'll be 5, negative 3, 2, 1 times
right.
3.
You separate it, right? So 3 times A, 5, negative 3, 2, 1. And what you got?
So it'll be 15,
Mm-hmm.
negative 9,
Yeah.
6, and 3.
All right, good. Next one.
Minus, negative 4, 2, 1,
So you, okay,
3,
let me just outline this. So this will be 3 by 5 minus 3, 2, 1, minus 2 by
negative
minus
4,
1,
2,
3,
1, 3.
and a half of C, which is P, Q, R, and S, right? Okay with that? Okay,
Yes,
so give me the answer, which we just did. That will be 15 minus 9, 6, and 3 minus 2 times negative 4 be negative 8. 2 by
yes,
2 is 4.
4,
2
2
times
by
1
1 is
be,
2, and then
and
6.
2 by 3, 6 is equal to half PQRS. So that half PQRS is really a half of P, a half of Q, a half of R, and a half of S. So let's go on. Let's solve. So this will be 15 plus.
15, 15 minus negative 8.
So negative and negative is
That'll
a,
be 23.
right? Next one.
6 minus 2 is 4.
6 minus 2, 4. Next one.
Negative 9 minus 5. 4 is
Yeah,
13. Negative 13
negative 13. And the last one, 3 take away
is
6.
negative 3.
Right. Is equal to a half P, a half Q, a half R, and a half S. So if we equate both sides, so equating both sides, should go on the other side. So I'll have a half p is equal to 23. I'll have a half q equal minus 13. I'll have a half r equal to 4. And next one, I have s equal to minus 3. So here p will be equal to 23 by 2. P will be equal to 46. Q will be equal to minus 13 times 2. Q is equal to minus 26.
26.
R will be equal to 4 by 2. R is equal to 8.
Should be negative 3 times 2, which should be negative 6.
Negative 6. So these are the answers. P is 46, Q is minus 26, R is 8, and S is minus 6. Okay?
Yes, miss.
Let's go to number 2. Number 2 is AB equal to C. So Nikki, you want to try that one?
Yes, miss.
So A, I'll set it up for you. Is minus 1x y and 3. B is 3, 1, negative 1, 2. And C is negative 4, R, S, and 7. All right, so what we're doing here? So minus 1 times 3. Plus x by minus 1. Go on, Nikki, next one.
Y times 2 plus 3 times minus 1.
All right, next one.
Minus 1 times 1. Plus x times 2.
Yes, plus x by
X
2.
times,
Go on.
y times 1 plus 3 times 2.
Equal to minus 4, R, S, and 7. Okay, solve. Let's go on.
It will be equal to minus 3 plus minus x minus
We could say
1.
minus x.
What?
We could say minus x because positive and negative is a negative.
Yes.
minus 1.
Minus 1 plus 2x.
Good.
2
Next one.
minus 3. And
Yeah, next one.
y plus 6, miss.
Okay, equal to minus 4, r, s, and 7. So here we can equate both sides, equating both sides. And what you will get?
Overall, miss?
You'll put minus 3 minus x equal to minus 4. And yeah,
Yes, miss.
then what else?
Minus 1 plus 2 times
2x equal
yeah,
to,
time will be equal to r.
yeah, next one.
3 3y plus minus 3 will be equal to s. And y plus 6 will be equal to 7.
So which two should we solve?
We should solve 3 plus,
The
well,
x,
3 minus x.
that one, and the y, and
Yes, miss.
so what you write here?
Um, minus 3 plus
And you want the,
4. What?
oh, you put the x minus x. So you carry across the minus 3 plus 4 is equal to x. Yeah?
Yes, miss.
And what you get for x, Nikki?
For x, I got 1, miss.
Very good. All right, next step. What you should do?
Uh, what you should do? Oh,
Well, continue.
um, it will be minus 3 minus 1 will be equal to minus 4. And 6.
We have
7,
excess one, and we
wait,
have
so,
excess one, so we could put it here
uh,
to find for
um,
r.
for r, it'll be minus 1 plus 2 times 1.
So that'll be minus 1 plus 2. So r will be equal to 1. And all right, this side now, what you do? Y plus x 6 equal to 7. So what you do? Y be equal to,
Sorry, that's the 6 ones.
okay. So here y will be equal to 7. Take away 6. And y is equal to 1. So now we know the value of y, which is 1. So be 3 by 1 minus 3 is equal to s. So 3 take away 3 is s. So you see s is 0. So you're getting the answer as s equal to 1, r equal to 1, s is 0, and y is 1. You understand that?
Yes, miss.
All right. So you all have a clear understanding of what equal matrices is all about. Yes or no? All right. So we'll stop here for tonight. Because tomorrow, please, we'll be moving on to determinant, finding determinant. I'll give you all, I'll send 2 questions to you all to do. Okay? So I'll send, or I can make you all write it on one time. I'll post it up on the chat. All right? I'll circle the questions and you all will do those two questions. So homework. Oh, wait. You all having exams, so you'll be studying. Yes or no? Yeah?
It's useful. Kind of.
I said, you all will be having exams. You're all on an exam mode.
Yes, miss.
All right. So we will continue with the topic tomorrow, please the Lord. Okay? I'll send one question. I'm gonna give you all the questions to write down, and you all will do that for homework. Okay? So this is the homework.